When we started, we serviced most of our vehicles out of a pickup with a diesel tank in the back of it. So our needs grew, so we had more pickups and more pickups. Finally got to the point that we just could not keep up. We had started out being a small business, and as our business needs grew, we outgrew the ability to service and fuel our equipment. My name is Doug Holmes. I'm the president of Doug Holmes Construction. We probably today run about 75 pieces of equipment that we're responsible for servicing and fueling. We started looking for a way to fix that problem. My son and I went to the ConExpo with the intentions of finding some type of solution for our fueling problems. And the truck that we found to be the best, we felt like, was Sage Oil Vac. We purchased a Sage Oil Vac Class 7 fuel and lube body. And when it showed up, it was every bit as good as we'd hoped it would be. Before we went with Sage Oil Vac, we probably had 3 men doing this very same job that we did with one person with our new truck.
My name is Nick Balderrama, and I am the service tech for Doug Holmes Construction. I service all the construction equipment in the field. This truck really makes my job easier, number one, because the size of it helps me get in and get out where I need to get into. A lot of times, if you had a larger truck, it might be a little bit more difficult to get in. With this truck, I can actually roll right up to wherever I need to be to service a piece of equipment.
So this truck has 7 different product tanks. We can carry DEF and used oil, along with our new oil, hydraulic oil, and a number of other fluids.
This truck really helps me get a lot done each day because it has all of the fluids that I could possibly need. This truck really helps me accomplish what I have to accomplish.
At the beginning of the day, when we put in 1,000 gallons of diesel, there's days that we don't know exactly how many gallons of fuel we're going to be dumping in tractors. But on our heavier days, we can run as much as 800 gallons of fuel through this truck in one day. Oil spills are a big concern, and when it has the ability to pick up, suck up the oil and handle it very easily, where it's not nasty, it's not messy, it's a very clean operation, where it used to be extremely filthy. Sage Oil Vac have been extremely easy to work with. Anytime that we have a problem, they take it to heart. They get us stuff as quickly as we can. They know that we're running one big truck that services a whole lot of equipment, and they've been able to keep our uptime running, and they've made life very smooth and easy for us for the last 2 years.
If I didn't have this truck to do my job, I wouldn't be here.
This truck that we purchased has really done a wonderful job. It's been very easy for us to maintain, and I would highly recommend one of their trucks.